Hey, battery hackers, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know about batteries. I'm your host, Michael, and today we're diving into another common question. How long will a 12-volt battery last with an inverter? Now, the answer depends on a couple of factors, mainly the efficiency of the inverter and the capacity of the battery. But let's get into the details. First, let's talk about inverters. Inverters are devices that convert DC power from your battery into AC power that most household appliances use. They aren't 100% efficient, and their efficiency typically ranges from 80% to 95%. This means some energy is lost in the conversion process. Let's assume we have a 12-volt battery with a capacity of 100 ampere hours and an inverter with an efficiency of 90%. The first step is to convert the battery's capacity into watt-hours. We do this by multiplying the ampere hours by the voltage. So 100 ampere hours times 12 volts equals 1200 watt-hours. However, because the inverter is only 90% efficient, we need to account for that efficiency. We do this by multiplying the watt-hours by the inverter's efficiency. So 1200 watt-hours times 0.9 equals 1080 watt-hours of usable power. Next, we need to know the power consumption of the device we're running. For this example, let's use a device that consumes 100 watts. To find out how long our battery can run this device, we divide the usable power by the device's power consumption. That's 1080 watt-hours divided by 100 watts, which gives us 10.8 hours of running time. Sounds pretty good, right? But remember, using a battery with an inverter isn't the same as plugging your device into a wall socket. The inverter itself draws some power, and the device's power consumption can fluctuate. Plus, the condition and age of your battery can also affect its performance. To get the most out of your battery and inverter setup, make sure to use it properly, avoid deep discharges, and recharge your battery correctly. These steps can help maintain its longevity. Thanks for tuning in to Battery Hacker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more battery tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time, and happy battery hacking.